Life is hectic. You have family, work, the gym, and somehow you need to manage your social life in between. Your car is overheating. And let's not forget you need to pick up the kids. No. There is no app for that. You are worried your car may break down on the road. Let UR Drive help. By giving you the time you need to do what is important to you. Imagine having a mechanic a click away. UR Drive is the perfect solution to all your car servicing and repair needs. We provide convenient on-site repair and maintenance through a few taps. Transparency on work to be done and price to be charged. Cost saving 30% to 40%. Quality assurance for parts and services. How it works. Download the UR Drive app. Make a request in a few taps. OOR call to schedule service for a convenient time and location. Access the service you need. Accept or decline any service as per your choice. Your car is repaired and serviced under expert care and guidance. Ensuring quality. When your car is fixed up, cleared, and ready to go, you will receive a notification on your phone. All from the comfort of your home or office. Let us serve you. Download the UR Drive app today.